Hello, amazing mathematicians. Welcome to another fun and exciting lesson. Today we're diving into the 7 times table, a world full of multiplying magic. Get ready to shout out your answers and test those math skills. Let's get started. Question 1. What is 7 times 4? Is it A, 28, B, 30, or C, 29? The answer is A, 28. Great start. Question 2. What is 7 times 1? Is it A, 6, B, 7, or C, 8? The answer is B, 7. Excellent work. Question 3. What is 7 times 9? Is it A, 64, B, 63, or C, 62? The answer is B, 63. Awesome. Question 4. What is 7 times 2? Is it A, 13, B, 14, or C, 15? The answer is B, 14. Keep going. Question 5. What is 7 times 5? Is it A, 35, B, 36, or C, 34? Or the answer is A, 35. Fantastic. Question 6. What is 7 times 10? Is it A, 69, B, 70, or C, 71? The answer is B, 70. You're doing great. Question 7. What is 7 times 3? Is it A, 21, B, 20, or C, 22? The answer is A, 21. Keep it up. Question 8. What is 7 times 8? Is it A, 55, B, 56, or C, 57? The answer is B, 56. Amazing job. Question 9. What is 7 times 6? Is it A, 41, B, 42, or C, 43? The answer is B, 42. Great work. Question 10. What is 7 times 4? Is it A, 27, B, 28, or C, 29? The answer is B, 28. Excellent. Question 11. What is 7 times 9? Is it A, 64, B, 62, or C, 63? Because the answer is C, 63. Fantastic. Question 12. What is 7 times 2? Is it A, 15, B, 14, or C, 13? The answer is B, 14. Keep going. Question 13. What is 7 times 5? Is it A, 35, B, 34, or C, 33? The answer is A, 35. Great job. Question 14. What is 7 times 3? Is it A, 22, B, 21, or C, 20? The answer is B, 21. Well done. Question 15. What is 7 times 6? Is it A, 41, B, 43, or C, 42? The answer is C, 42. Amazing. Question 16. What is 7 times 8? Is it A, 57, B, 56, or C, 54? The answer is B, 56. Keep it up. Question 17. What is 7 times 10? Is it A, 71, B, 70, or C, 69? The answer is B, 70. You're doing awesome. Question 18. What is 7 times 1? Is it A, 8, B, 6, or C, 7? The answer is C, 7. Fantastic work. Question 19. What is 7 times 2? Is it A, 15, B, 14, or C, 13? The answer is B, 14. Great job. Question 20. What is 7 times 5? Is it A, 35, B, 34, or C, 36? The answer is A, 35. Incredible. Wow, you've nailed the 7 times table. Keep practicing to become a multiplication champion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more math adventures. See you next time.